How to resize multiple images at once in Adobe Photoshop. Method 1. Create a Resizing Photoshop Action. First, set up the appropriate folders. Create 2 new folders on your computer. Name the first one Original Images, and the second Resized Images. Make sure all the photos that you would like resized are in the first folder. Next, create a new action set. After you've created your folders, access your Actions panel by going to Window and Actions. On the Actions panel, press the Folder button to create a new set for your action. Name the set Resize Action, and hit OK. Next, create a Resizing Photoshop Action. With the folder selected, click on the Paper button to create a new action. Then hit Record to begin recording your action. Once your action is recording, the Record button will turn red to show that it's still recording until you press Stop. With your action now recording, go to Image and Size and adjust the width or height to your preferences. After the image is resized, you need to save it. Go to File and Save As, browsing for the Resized Images folder. Then select the image quality that you would prefer. 12 will give you large, great-looking photos, whereas 1 will give you low-quality results. At the end, hit the Stop button on the Actions panel to stop the action recording. Next, you can start using the action to resize multiple images within a folder. To do this, go to File then Automate and hit Batch. Under the Batch settings, select the action set you created as well as the specific action you want to play. Then choose the folder that contains the images you would like resized as well as the destination folder. Press OK button and the action will be applied to every image in the original folder, with each file closing before the next one loads. Done. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share.